Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create a word searcher in JavaScript. So something that will search a word in all the page and set if he found or not. So for that you go to your HTML page. In my case I have just paragraphs that are generated automatically, as you can see. So to create this, go down of the page, create a div with the ID of find word. After that you do this, create a paragraph with the ID of a word text. Then write, for example, in my case it will be search a word, 2 point. Then I will go down and create an input with the type of text so that I can write something to search on the page. With the type of text. Then I will give it an ID of a word search. Then I will write on change. So when I will click enter, it will call a function. So I will name my function search word. Then when I will click on the text that I wrote in this, it will erase. So I will write on click, it will run the function erase. Then you go down and you create another paragraph and you give the ID of output. So this will be at the output. It will say if it found or not, the word or not. After that you do this, it will get something like this. So I will put the input in the center. So for that I go in the style, I write input, I will give width of 30% and margin left of 35%, so it will be centered. Then I will also give border so that we can see it, of 2 pixel solid and the color of black color. So I'll get something like this. The next thing to do is to create the script. So you go down of the page and you write script. Then what we're gonna do is that we're gonna give an ID to the body. The ID I will give body. Then in the script I will create the function search word. Search word. Then I will create a constant that I'll name imp, which will be the value of the input, so the thing that we will write here. So it will be equal to document dot get element by ID dot value. So in my case the ID is word search. So I will copy this and paste it here. Then I will create another constant that I will name page. And this one will be the body, so all the page. I will write document dot get element by ID, and this time I will get the ID of the body. So in my case I named it body, and I will go and take the text. Yeah. Then you go down and you write if page dot index of input is higher than -1, it will do something. So what we're doing here is that we're taking the body, so all the text of the body, if it is, and if it finds the input that we the text that we write in the input, it will do something. It will say, for example, found. So for that, go and write document dot get element by ID. We're gonna search the take the ID of output, so the paragraph output, then inner HTML will be equal to found, so it will write found. But if the word that we write in the input is not he doesn't find, what we'll write it will say not found. So here we will write else I will copy this, paste it here, but here I will add a note found. Now we can try it. You go here, you write something, you click enter. Oops. Okay, stop. Something go wrong. Output. Search word, yes. Page dot index of input word search, yes. Okay, maybe if I put it here and try it now. Okay, so there's a problem. Maybe it's here. Inner HTML will be equal to this. Okay, but I don't really see my error. Oh, okay, here. Because you need to write element by ID. Okay, now normally it will work. Okay, yes, it works. Yeah. Okay, so I write something, it said not found. Now if I write this, I copy this and paste it here and click enter, it will say found. Even if you write var and you click, one second, I will restart the page. Even if I write var and click enter, it will say found, because he will get this, the first part of the word. So yes, so that it worked. But when we click on it, it not erase. So in case to erase it, you will create the function erase. So here what we will do, that we will get, well, you will copy this, and you erase found. So when we're gonna click, oops, when we're gonna write something and click on it, it will erase, one second, it will erase the output. So now we want to erase the thing that we wrote. So for that you write document that get element by ID that value, but this time that value will be equal to nothing. And here you put the ID of your input. In my case, it's word search. So we can try it. You write this, we click enter, it says not found. You click here, it erases. If we write this, we click enter, it says found. And if we click on it, it will erase all the thing. So that's how we create a word searcher. I hope that you liked this video. If it's the case, please subscribe and like the video. And this the source code will be in the description. And that's it for today, and bye.